So good evening to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Orient Green Power Share. So many people have requested to make a separate technical analysis video. So previously, when you have done the complete technical analysis near the 8 rupees level, we have seen what can be the near-term levels. The stock has also given some very good movement in the recent times, but since the last two sessions, we have seen back-to-back opening in the upper circuit. So there are many queries: will it start correcting or will it go in upside direction? So these are the various doubts that many people are having. So we'll try to discuss each and everything in detail. So make sure you're watching the video till the end, and if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified, and do join the Telegram group, because in Telegram we'll discuss all the instant updates followed by stocks for intraday, swing and long term. I'll provide a link in the description followed by comment section. Okay, so before going to the technical charts of green power, so let us see what I have told in Telegram in December 16th. So you can see when the circuit was open, I've clearly mentioned that people who are trying to buy this particular stock, who are already invested, so just invest a small portion of your capital. That is what I've told. So we know already the stock has given some very huge rally in the recent time. So starting from 2 rupees or 1 rupees, which was a very low point of green power. So after posting some very good quarter result, the stock continuously started going in the upside direction, and the term and the name itself, green power, has created a very good hype in the market. So back to back two sessions, as I told, little bit of opening was there in this particular stock. So why that particular circuit got opened? So obviously because market condition was also not that stable. So Nifty was little volatile. So when a little downtrend starts in the market, especially when all the small caps, micro caps, they start correcting. So what happens ultimately? The circuits of these upper circuit stock get opened and panic selling starts. Okay, so when panic selling starts, so many people start booking their profits. So ultimately what happens, or whatever the buying orders which are in the pending list, so they get reduced and suddenly the circuit gets opened. And when that situation rises where sellers become active, a lower circuit would be generated. So this is basically done by the operators. When some retailers also contribute to that particular movement, a lower circuit would be observed. That is what basically happens in any upper circuit and lower circuit stock. Okay, so now let's go to technical charts. So first we'll discuss on weekly chart, and then we'll go to daily chart. Okay, so if you observe the chart pattern of green power, so we can see the weekly chart. 1 week we have seen a very good hammer type of candle was generated at the low levels. We know after a very good movement from this particular zone, you can see back to back big green candles were observed from that 3 rupees or 4 rupees zone. So when that movement was generated, so in between it has showed a little bit correction, but again from the lows the stock has started picking the momentum. So as I told, little bit of buying strength in this particular stock is decreasing in the market because of whatever as I told, market condition followed by panic selling which is being generated in all the small caps and micro caps. So that is one reason why we are seeing the stock getting opened, wicks are being generated, and then again it is trying to close in that upper circuit region. Okay, so earlier also this thing happened. So one time it got opened, but again it has continued the trend. But suddenly what happened in the morning session only, we have seen a lower circuit, and again retraced for 2 to 3 sessions, and again we have seen an upper circuit. Okay, so this is basic common thing. So like any stock which is having good trend in the upside direction, so circuit gets open, correction happens, and again it goes up. So nothing too much worry about it. So as I told, if you're invested in small portions, nothing to worry. Even if it opens in the coming sessions on Monday, there are very good support levels of 12 rupees and followed by 11.5. So there we have very good support levels also. Nothing to worry there. Again you can search for average opportunities. So why am I telling not to worry about it? So fundamentals are not that great, but I can say to a certain extent they are in moderate range. Financials are improving, and a very good background of renewable energy is also present with it. So even if we hold for certain longer period of time, definitely we would have that benefit. So don't do panic selling for whatever small corrections are happening. So just invest in small portions at the levels what I have personally told. First one somewhere around 12 rupees or 11.5. If it corrects to that zone, you can add in small portions. So I'll mention that in Telegram also, if only the circuit is getting opened. Okay, that is one thing you need to keep in mind. If it is only getting open, then only search for the lower level. So otherwise keep holding it, nothing to worry about that. Okay, so as I told, stay alert in the Telegram group as well. Link I'll provide in the description and comment section, and any further queries related to any stock you can ask in the comment section. And also you can connect with me in Instagram ID is stocks diary YT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.